Lana ngizama ukutshengisa how to open up a copy trading ku-HFM uma ufuna ufollow abantu. Okay, please make sure you press like there and subscribe. Okay, into elandelayo. Okay, sengiyitholile i-email yami. Nayi i-account number iyona into ebalulekile edingakalayo. I-password yayazi wena uyi-create-ele wena. Uyayazi leyo ifakile lapha kwi-copy trading yakho esikhathi uyifuna. Okay, i-server njengamanje sikhuluma ngayo i-server mina engikwazi esizoyisebenzisa yiphi ibhaliwe la HFM Market SA Live Server 2.8. Okay, emva kwalokho siyapsa ku-MetaTrader 4 manje. MetaTrader 4 uphi? Uvela MetaTrader 4 nangu. Okay, okay. Lo bekade ngimfollowa lo ama-trades akhe ebesay on, so anginankinga naye, angidlulele kulo munye esafuna ukumlayisha manje. Sizothi manage account, emva kwalokho sithinta na uplus laphana, sizothi log into an existing account. Emva kwalokho uzobhala la phezulu ukuthi HFM. Usubhalile wathi HFM, uyogcina le server bakusendele yona ke lapha. You need to be careful mobuka la kubhalwe ukuthi HFM Market KE Live Server 8 akusiyona yethu. Thina simele ithi SA because from South Africa. Okay, sehle siyezansi. And then what we need to do now, we need to press over here server 8. Server 8, HFM server 8 is South Africa. We go back to email ibithini ibisho njalo ithi HFM SA server 8. Okay, siyabuya sizokhetha yona la, ayikhetha server 8 phakathi. Uyakhumbula le coding ala kwi-email ile ngithe icopy le yona ke lesayithatha sayikopa manje, copy yabuya ngizwe ipaste lapha. I pasted it. Okay, another thing what I need to do now, the password ke bengiyifakile lapha na sengiyayifaka ke lana. Okay, this is gonna be hard to say. Okay, but ngiyabona njengamanje because angifuni ukuveza ama-details zami ukuthi kanjani, but uma usuyifakile i-password yakho kade uyi-create ilokhuzana yakho kumele ifane kanjani, kumele ivele kanje, ibhala igama lakho bese iyabhala khona mali kwi-account yakho, and then emva kwalokho usungakwazi ukungena la uzobuthi lo muntu lo obe-trader namhlanje. So I can see this person has been trading this. Okay, I got no story that I'm happy with it. I-history, mawufuna ukucheck i-history, okay, uzothinta kuleli bhokisi leli ucheck i-history yakhe lo muntu, today's trades ukuthi utrade kanjani. Okay, uyambona la ukuthi ukwenzile osencane, but it's no problem, vele is trading. You know it's gotta be losses, nama gains, nama profits, but this is a nice, easy, another way ukuthi wenzeni imali, ukuthi uzama ukuzenzela how to make extra income ngayo i-copy trading. So like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I was just showing you guys what I mean. How do I do copy trading? Copy trading HFM. And another video thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be talking about FX Showroom robot. How does it work? What you need to do to activate it. So izo zonke izinto nje lezi idingakalayo. Not a lot of things. I mean, I'm just sharing izinto that I'm making imali. Even if ngenza imali eningi, but there is something that I know ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuyithola. So get ready for i-video elandelayo izokhuluma nge-robots. Or if you got any question, don't be afraid. Buza lapho ngizophendula.